Hello, this is Dostal Sanj, Senior Director of Solution Architecture with Appcito. Delighted you could join us today for the session entitled HAProxy Service Adapter. What we're going to share with you is how an analytics agent can connect to an HAProxy to provide visibility on a per application basis. We've selected the Amazon cloud for this demo. We're going to show you how incoming requests are serviced by Route 53 DNS and then forwarded to the HAProxy load balancing tier. This tier is front-ending this application instances, which are demo.greatcode.org. So let's go ahead and introduce the Appcito Service Adapter. It's essentially an agent that can sit next to the HAProxy, or it can sit in another cloud altogether. And what we'll show you here is the running instances within the AWS cloud. So I got two HAProxys running, Solutions 1 and Solutions 2. As well as the Appcito Service Adapter A, which are all in an up and running state. So how we associate these together are by introducing an application within the Appcito Cloud Services Controller. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Appcito Cloud Services Controller, or CSC. I come up to the username, in this case Appcito DOS, and I look at agents. I've already activated a few agents. I'm going to go ahead and select the first one, which is configure. So you'll note that we have an application name, SA6 HAProxy, and I've already successfully synced it with the HAProxys. Let's take a look at the command line on the HAProxy itself. I'm going to go ahead and look at the config of the HAProxy. And here is the IP address of the service adapter. You'll also note that here is the username that I have, as well as the application name. So this is all within the HAProxy, and I've also got the specific log parameters that I'm looking for. The backend server is demo.greatcode.org, which we showed in the illustration earlier on. On the right-hand side, I have the second HAProxy, and you'll note that it has a similar configuration with the IP address and the associated application name. Now what I'm going to do is select my application and send traffic through the HAProxy. So I've got some bogus data that I'm just going to go ahead and click some elements and some validation pages, some charts, which will send traffic for demo.greatcode.org through the HAProxy itself. I'm going to go back to the Appcito controller, and now from this drop-down application name, SA6 HAProxy, you'll start to note that the user interface dashboard will start to get populated with some of that traffic. And I've been running this for a few hours, so I'll show you some of the popular URLs, clients, and some of the user agents. So essentially we're collecting the specified parameters from those log files that are useful for an administrator. So in summary, what you have here is an Amazon cloud servicing incoming requests that are being forwarded by a load balancer, HAProxy, to demo.greatcode.org. We've introduced our adapter agent, which is connected to the HAProxy, collecting those system logs, and then forwarding the metrics to Appcito Services Controller, which is updating the dashboard interface. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your time and attention, and I do encourage you to register for a demo, and you'll get this free copy of Leading the Transformation. And it's for US residents only, but it's well worth your time to register for a demo and obtain this free copy. I want to thank you again, ladies and gentlemen, for your time and attention.